Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel RKTV. The German Research Center for Geosciences, GFZ, reported a magnitude 4.6 quake in Mexico near Miahuatlan de Porfirio Diaz, Miahuatlan de Porfirio Diaz, Oaxaca, only 14 minutes ago. The earthquake hit early morning on Wednesday, April 27, 2022, at 6:01 a.m. local time at a shallow depth of 10 kilometers. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. A second report was later issued by the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake, which listed it as a magnitude 4.6 earthquake as well. A third agency, the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC, reported the same quake at magnitude 4.9. Please like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel for more update. Thanks for watching.